Okay guys, so I'm taking the rear bolts out of the frame. Hopefully anyway. Oh shit, that one's a little tight. I have to grab a smaller extension. Grab a smaller extension and a cheater bar, maybe. Maybe that'll work. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping that the cheater bar works. It just broke loose there. And then I'll put the other better ratchet back on it. I've still got, well, this one and three other ones to do. There's that one. Okay, let me get you set up for the second one here. Find out where it's at. Okay, you guys can see it now. Throw this back on it. Okay, now I'll put the better ratchet on it so I can get it the rest of the way out. Damn. This one is tough. Yeah, this one's being a pain in the ass. Okay, I'll switch back to the cheater bar. Just because it's being a bitch to get off. Here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this thing here is being a bitch. Being a pain in the ass. It should be loose enough. Get rid of this long extension. Put the shorter one on the good ratchet. Oh, shit, wrong. I think I could do without the snow in here, or snow out here. I just had the snow today. Look at all that mud on that. That's crazy. And threads look like they're rusted out, but I don't know. I'll have to clean them up and everything first. I'm not going to video doing the other two bolts because they're over top the axles and they're going to be kind of a pain in the ass to get to, and plus to video, so I'm not going to video that. But altogether there's 10 body mount bolts. There's 2 on the core support, 2 right behind the front wheels on the frame underneath the body. Then there's 2 right underneath, like right at the back of the doors, the front doors that is. So there's 2 there, so that's 6. And then there's 2 above the back wheels, and then there's 2 here on the back. So there's 10 body mount bolts. So I've already got 8 of them out now, so I just got to get the other 2 out, and then, you know, disconnect the steering column, disconnect that, and a little bit of wiring here and there. And I just disconnected the filler neck, so it's ready to go. Just a couple more pieces, and pretty much this frame's ready to, or the body's ready to be lifted up off the frame. So, but thanks for watching, guys.